Mm, book, book. I'm reading a book with my friend. Like, he likes eating his work. And you know, he work with my colleague. Mm, help us, help us. Uh, he help, mm, help, help you. He help you, helps you. Has loves, loves, loves. Uh, he loves you. Uh, use, use. He used to play with my party. Lives, lives, lives. Uh, he lives um, in Hochumau Street. Is 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 um, um, miss 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 misted 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 he misted you what you watch what what cheese what cheese um he watched TV pass passive passive um, he passive example um, hay là list list um, uh, I list um, to music actually um, um, act 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 um, um, I act um, he I want to go to the zoo um, d- d- loved uh, I loved her um, in your corridor um, lived 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 uh, I lived in the Hottentot Street um, on in 2 years. Um, eat eat uh, want 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 um, I want to I want to do my homework. Mm, need need needed I needed to deliver um, yourself.